Location of a Zafira B 1.8 XER. This is how you change the oil on the gearbox. As you can see, it is so hard to find, but if I put my hand on it, it's under here. Don't know if you can see. There. See that nut and washer there? You undo that, and that will drain the Zafira B 1.8 XER gearbox. So if you guys are trying to find it, I don't think there's many. Well, I couldn't find anything on YouTube, so that's why I thought I'll show you the location here. That's your location. So obviously you can top up from the top, and then you undo this, and that'll be your level. So yeah, nice and fiddly, but there it is, guys. Basically, you undo this. This is the easiest way anyway. You can either undo this if you've already got the tray off, the battery tray, or you undo that down there, which is your reverse switch. Take that clip off, undo that, and then you'll be able to fill it up from there. There's two places, so you've got that one or that one. Because I've already got this tray out, I can get to this one. So just stick a funnel on that and then fill this up. And then what you do is down here, you got this. And there it all goes, nicely, perfectly filled up. See it all running there? Perfect amount.